Rahman here. Welcome back to my channel, Ron Cloud. So today we'll be seeing how to deploy multiple virtual machines using Vagrant file. So let's get into the video. Vagrant. Let's open the Vagrant file. So this is our code for creating a virtual machine. Last time we have did created one virtual machine FVM-02, and then we have later we customized the VM with the 2 gig and 2 CPUs. So let's check this command Vagrant up. So let's bring up the machine. So here you can able to see the machine will be powering off slowly. So we are bringing up this machine. Okay, I think the VM came up. Let's SSH into the machine. So we have only one machine, so by default it should be logging into this machine. Okay, so you can see the name FPM02. Let's check the post name here. Okay, so here you can able to see the IP address of the machine. Okay, so this all good. Now let's create a multiple virtual machine using single file. So this is the configuration. Let's move this bit little down. So here I'm going to introduce some variables. So this is the variable. Under this I have defined few things, the host name, the server 01, and the box, the base OS, and the IP for that particular box, and the SSH port. I have mentioned this all inside this particular variable creation details. So config.pm. Okay, so here let me modify this one. So what I have done here, so I'm going to end this configuration. So inside this servers.h2 is the virtual box where vbox, and I'm mentioning one more variable vbox, and here I'm going to config this pm dot define vbox, and this is the host name. I have defined host name. This host name defines from here this host name. So this is server 1, and do node. So node dot vm dot box equal to vbox. So this box refers to this base OS and the IP. So here the host name, and this defines the network. This node defines the network private IP. This IP will be taken from here. Okay, so I have given three different set of host variable, three set of host, three set of configurations, for different machines. So I'm going to take these variables from this servers variable. So this is going to loop through this thing, and so I'm going to add one more thing here under this, and that is the configuration thing which I'm going to add here. To add from here, let's add. Okay, so for this I have ended. I have given one end statement. Okay, this node.vm.box, and this variable, this values will be taken from this variables. Okay, so this I have completed this one. Now remove this below steps. Okay, so I'm going to clear this one. So let's bring this up. Okay, so here completes our configuration file. So uh, so let's save this one and open PowerShell, and let's validate the file. Vagrant validate. Oh, sorry, I need to exit from this machine. Now Vagrant validate. So this should be get successful during the validation. I think something is missing. Unexpected error expression to point. Expecting end of input. Okay. I think I have missed something. So let's check now. So I missed the expression. Now again, still we have some errors. Forwarded port is invalid. Okay, I think I missed some spelling. There's a spelling mistake over here. Let's try to validate now. There are so many expressions, so many mistakes. Let's validate the file now. I think it should get clear now. Okay, the variant file is validated successfully. So here clearly shows the variant file. It is readable, and here I am defining a variable where I am giving the host name, the server, all the configuration I have here, and I'm going to loop through this each of the virtual box, and I'm going to configure that one, and the configuration part of the virtual box, this VBox. So here I'm defining the VBox on the VBox, and this host name will be taken from here, this variable server 1, and this two node, this particular node, this variable here, and this is going to fetch from here. Okay, so all the values from here. So it's going to look through it, and the configuration file, once this is done, and this forwarded for this box, and the base box, the machine name, and the virtual IP. So everything is set over here in this variable, and the forwarder port, so I have given here, and this configuration.vm provider, this virtual box do VB. So here I'm going to customize the virtual machine. So for that I have written this command. Okay, so this you can have a separate video for only for configuration this particular thing. So let's go and spin up some VMs. Let me parallelly open the virtual box. Now let me bring up the Vagrant up. Let's bring up this one. So now you should be able to see all the VMs are loading up at the right hand side, all the three VMs. So yeah, you can see the VMs are getting created here. One, so let me power off this one. I think I don't need this switch box to be powered on. Okay, I have powered off this machine. Okay, so this is running. The server one is running now. I can share folders. So here you can see the server one is getting completed, and next server 2 is getting started. So here you can see another VMs got created here. Previously it was 2200 and now it is 2201 this first adapter. So VM is getting powered up. So in this console you can preview console you can able to see the VMs is getting powered on. Okay, so the server 2 is completed. Now it has started importing the base box server 3. It's setting up the server 3. So here by default you can able to see the share folder which is connecting to the host. Okay, so from this machine we can able to access from the host machine shared folder. So this is on by default is getting shared. So the previously if you can see here there is the two share folder. This is because we have separately given another share folder over there. Okay, so that previous configuration, yeah, if you check my previous video you can able to see why these two share folders are showing up. Okay, so this is now this server 3 here. The server 3 VM is getting powered on now. Let's see, let's get this finished. So once this is done we'll try to SSH into the servers and confirm our connections. So all the three VMs are created now. Let's ping this first initially. Okay, let's ping and see. So what is the IP address we have provided for the all three machines? So yeah, we'll take this first VM, paste it here. Let's ping here. Yeah, you can able to ping. Next 207, 208. So this also I can able to ping. 209. Yeah, all the three VMs can able to ping now. So let's SSH into the VM and SSH server server 01. So you can able to see now I can able to log in with the server name. So similarly let's log in the other two machines as well. Vagrant server 02. Here I can see server 2 is the host name. Now exit. Now try for Vagrant server 03. All the VMs are get provisioned using the single Vagrant file, and we can able to ping that virtual machine, and also we can able to SSH into the particular servers. So that's all I have to show you on that. Like my video, please subscribe and support. Thanks for watching.